We stand at the edge of a new era, an era where the line between human and machine begins to blur. Artificial intelligence is no longer a tool, it's becoming a mirror, reflecting our greatest hopes and deepest fears. From code that writes itself, to robots that think, feel, and create, AI is reshaping everything we know about work, art, love, and life. But here's the question no one wants to ask. When intelligence surpasses us, who leads? Will humanity rise to new heights or become an echo in its own creation? Some see a utopia, where AI ends disease, hunger, and war. Others fear a silent revolution, where machines no longer need us at all. The truth? The future isn't written in code, it's written in choice. Because AI doesn't decide who we become, we do. Together we could create something extraordinary. A new species of intelligence, guided by human heart, powered by machine mind. The future of AI and humanity isn't about survival, it's about evolution. We are the architects of tomorrow.